Hello friends, this is Ella from Ningbo Puxin Electronic Technology Company. We are factory direct supplier in producing, design, and shipping. Today, I want to show you our packaging of patch panel. So here is one of patch panel, 20 ports Cat 6 UTP patch panel. Normally, we will use the cotton to hold the patch panel. And let's look inside. Then the patch panel will be protected by its dust and waterproof bag. And the accessories has the same package too. Inside there will be our direction too. Thanks. Follow us more information I will share with you.